Umulan pala, no?
Ay, sir, dito lang yung ano natin.
Sir!
Sensya na, sir. Happy New Year, ma'am.
Sir, Happy New Year, sir!
Uy,
Happy New Year, sir!
Happy New Year, sir.
Fajubar, tropa mga kapatid. Saudi Arabia. Yun ang aking mem.
What's up mga kapaju?
Yo, yo, yo!
Yo, yo, yo! Hi!
Hello,
Say
vlog.
hi to the vlog!
It was December 31st of 2020, our last and first travel of 2021. From Jeddah, we traveled to Taif in Waba Crater. Taif is a 3 hours drive from Jeddah. It's about 90 kilometers to Mecca, just to put into geographic context. Taif is located in the mountains of the Mecca province and was previously used as summer capital for the royals due to cooler temperatures.
Baby, so cold. God that I miss. Baby, so cold. God that I miss. Baby, so cold.
May nahihirang bata! Dobog, ang ganda ng ano, ng view dito mga kapaju. Dito sa Taif lang yan. At ang lamig din dito. Ayan.
So, bongga!
So, welcome 2021! Happy New cable car para makapanik sa taas. It was fun, guys. It was fun.
On the road, we experienced foggy moments heading towards Taif. At 12 midnight, we reached Taif, Saudi Arabia.
Napaka-fog dito. Ayan. Dong, ano masasabi mo, Dong?
Labig dito sa ano? Saan ba to?
Saan ba tayo ngayon?
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest. Binabati ko nga pala yung mga nasa Pinas dyan na Happy New Year, guys. Ayan. So, dito kami nag-New Year sa Taif. So, matutulog muna ako. Bye. Kasi magpe-prepare na kami, guys. Ito na kami ng crater. Sa pinakamalaking crater daw dito sa Saudi Arabia. So, see ya.
At early morning, we left the hotel for our first destination, which is Waba Crater. Waba Crater is located in the middle of nowhere on the western edge of the Harrods Kiss Basalt Plateau.
So, wala pa kami sa kalahati ng tinatravel namin. Drop by lang kami para mag-picture. Time check, 7:19.
Hala, nice. Hala, nice.
It's 350 kilometers or 217 miles northeast of Jeddah, a per hour's drive, and at 200 kilometers or 143 miles, a 3 hours drive from north of Taif. So, it's a far away from everything. Waba Crater is a giant volcano crater that holds its very own field of salt. For a long time, it was believed that Waba Crater was created by an ancient meteor strike. But now, geologists instead has accepted that the crater was created by a volcanic activity in the form of an underground eruption that was caused when a flow of magma hit an underwater source of water, which resulted in a colossal explosion, creating the crater. The crater is 200 meters or 820 feet deep and 2 kilometers or 1.2 miles across in diameter.
Ano sabi mo, Tal?
Sideline ni Mayor. Light man.
Tignan natin yung
Talaga sa paano, reflector.
galing ng mga Mangka, ano to?
Cannon Studio.
Pang whiskey yung datingan. Tanda.
Paano pa rin? One by one, all body. Pang passport mo ba?
Mangkanor Studio. Matindi yung nightman natin, Brad. Ito yung pang FHM.
Miss World, Assistant Director.
Tingin ka pa dito, kung may pagkakataon.
Ano na ako dito? Sold na.
Ikaw.
Siyempre ako hindi na. Okay na ako.
Pang one time lang.
Ang one time, big time lang. Tama din. Parang mag-ibig ko. So yung mga kapagod guys, yung mga pupunta dito, baka na maraming pagkain kasi as in wala kayong makikitang kahit anong grocery or tindahan dito. Siyempre yan. So mamaya ulit guys.
There is no public transportation to Waba Crater, so the only way to get is either by hiring a car with driver or to drive yourself. So if you are planning to drive to Waba, it is necessary to have a full tank of fuel, a complete tools and plenty of food. And that is my travel story.